Question 2. A tree breaks due to storm and broken part bends so that the top of tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. ठीक है, तो एक ट्री है वो ब्रेक हो जाती है, मतलब सपोज ये ट्री है, ठीक है, तो ये यहाँ से ब्रेक हो गई, ओके, तो एंड इट फॉल्स ऑन द ग्राउंड सच दैट अब ये जमीन से ग्राउंड से 30 डिग्री का एंगल बना रही है, ओके, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. So this distance is 8 meter. Okay. We have to find the height of the tree. So actually you have to find the total height of the tree. The total height of the tree क्या हो जाएगा? Perpendicular plus hypotenuse. क्योंकि total tree तो ये थी. Total tree was from here to here. Okay. So we have to find these two lengths. So first of all, we'll make the figure this way. It is given A, B, C. This is 30 degree. It is 8 meter. We have to find perpendicular and we have to find hypotenuse also. Okay. Let AC be the part of broken tree. AB is the standing part of the tree. Okay. So first of all, suppose I am interested in finding AB. Okay. So which trigonometric ratio will relate AB and BC?
Tan.
Tan 30 degree equals to perpendicular upon base. So AB upon BC. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. AB we don't know. BC is 8. So AB equals to 8 upon root 3. We'll leave here. Now next step is we want to find AC. Which trigonometric ratio will relate AC and BC? Which trigonometric ratio will relate AC and BC? Sine. Okay. Yes, yes. So we'll write next step is sine 30 degree equals to, sorry, AC and BC. ये तो BC तो base है ना? Okay. So if we want to relate AC and BC, तो BC तो base है, AC hypotenuse है, so it will be cos 30 degree equals to BC upon AC. BC is 8, AC we don't know. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 equals to 8 by AC. Okay, so AC equals to 8 into 2 upon root 3. Okay, that is equal to 16 upon root 3. Now we want to find total tree, total height of tree. That is AB plus AC. AB was 8 upon root 3 and AC was 16 upon root 3. Root 3 is common. 8 plus 16 is 24. So we can write it, rewrite it. 24 upon root 3. When we'll rationalize the denominator, it will be 24 upon 3 root 3. That is equal to 8 root 3 meters. This is the answer. Okay.
Ma'am, can you please move to first slide of this one?
Okay. So one by one, I'll be displaying all the slides.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Okay, so this is all about question 2. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for children to play in a park. For the children below age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. Okay, so there is one slide for children below 5 years. Its height is 1.5 meter. Height हमेशा perpendicular distance होता है from ground. Okay, and inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. So it is inclined at 30 degree from the ground. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at the height of 3 meter. और जो elder children है उनके लिए slide की height होगी 3 meters. Okay, and which will be inclined at 60 degree. So angle which it will be forming with ground will be 60 degree. So what should be the length of the slide in each case? So basically we have to find the length of the slide. So for smaller children below 5 years, length of the slide is AB. This we have to find. And for elder children, length of slide is PR. This we have to find. Okay. So you have to just think which trigonometric ratio, solving it. So which trigonometric ratio will relate hypotenuse and perpendicular? It will be sine. So sine 30 degree equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 1.5 and hypotenuse is AB. Sine 30 is 1 upon 2. So when we will compare these 4 things, we'll get, when we'll just cross multiply, we'll get AB equals to 1.5 into 2. That is equal to 3 meters. Okay. Similarly, for in triangle PQR, we have to relate perpendicular and hypotenuse. So again sine 60 degree equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 3, hypotenuse we have to find, and sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So PR equals to 2 into 3 upon root 3, or it will be just this root 3 and this will become root 3. So it will be 2 root 3 meter. Basically 2 by 2 into 3 upon root 3 ये था. तो 3 को हम लिख सकते हैं root 3 into root 3. तो ये कैंसिल हो गया, ऐसे आया. So these are the answers. I hope everybody got this answer and everybody understood. Okay. Yes, Nirviksha, it's correct. Now, coming to question number 4. So in trigonometry, applications of trigonometry, very important thing is drawing the figure correct. If figure is wrong, then I think we'll not get any mark. Okay. So the angle of elevation of top of tower from the point on the ground, which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower, is 30 degree. So there is a tower. Okay. Angle of elevation of top of tower from a point on the ground. So from this point, angle of elevation is 30 degree, and this point is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. Okay, so find the height of the tower. We have to find this height. Okay, so A, B and C. AB is height of the tower. Okay, and BC is 30 meters. You have to think which trigonometric ratio will relate base and perpendicular, and you have to put choose suitable trigonometric ratio and then solve this problem. So find the answer and then we will discuss it. So tan theta will be the trigonometric ratio which will be relating perpendicular and base. So tan 30 degree equals to perpendicular upon base. Okay. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equals to h upon 30, cross multiplying. H equals to 30 upon root 3, or this can be written as 3 into 10 upon root 3. 3 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? root 3 into root 3 into 10 upon root 3. So root 3 and root 3 cancel. 10 root 3 meters is the answer. Okay.
Ma'am.
1 minute.
Ma'am.
Okay. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of string with the ground is 60 degree. So a kite is flying at a height 60 meter from the ground. So ये kite है, इसका height 60 meter है ground से. Okay. एक string tied है. ये angle जो string ground से एक point से tied है, and its angle with ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string. So we have to find hypotenuse. Okay. Here AB. Okay. Assuming that there is no slack in the string. मतलब string में कोई knot या कोई ढीलापन नहीं है. Okay. And and what is given? AC is 60 meter. So first is identifying which trigonometric ratio will relate perpendicular and hypotenuse. क्या होगा?
Sine.
Okay.
Sine.
So yes, sine 60 degree equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
Perpendicular is 60. Hypotenuse we don't know. So AB equals to 60 into 2 upon root 3. Okay, rationalizing the denominator. So it will be 60 into 2 into root 3 upon 3. So it is 20. Okay. So it will be 40 root 3 meters. This is the answer. In questionships, everybody will try to draw the figure themselves. Okay. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Okay. So everybody will try to draw the figure themselves. So we'll first of all draw the figure. Okay. A 1.5 meter tall boy. So this is 1.5 meter tall boy. He is standing at some distance from 30 meter tall building. ये एक 30 meter tall building से कुछ distance के दूर खड़ा है. Okay. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Okay. So angle of elevation पहले तो 30 डिग्री है. ओके. फिर ये कुछ मीटर इधर वॉक कर रहा है तो इसका एलिवेशन इंक्रीज हो रहा है टुवर्ड्स 60 डिग्री. ओके. सो दिस इज 60 डिग्री. ओके. दिस इज 30 meters. दिस इज 1.5 meter. ओके. This is 1.5. So 30 minus 1.5 will be 28.5.
मैम वो नेटवर्क इशू हो गया.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Okay. So now what we have to find? पहले वो the boy was here. The boy was here. Now the boy walked this way and he reached here. Okay. So we have to find the distance he walked. So basically A, B, C, D, E, F and G. In triangle AFC, if we'll find FC, then in triangle ABC, if we find BC, और दोनों का डिफरेंस फाइंड कर लें तो हमको पता चल जाएगा ये कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया था उसने, क्योंकि उसने डिस्टेंस क्या ट्रेवल किया? BF, वो क्या है? BC minus FC. Okay. So first of all, what you are going to do in triangle AFC, you are going to find the distance FC. So which trigonometric ratio? हमको AC पता है, हमको एंगल पता है, हमको FC फाइंड करना है. तो tan 60 डिग्री इक्वल्स टू परपेंडिकुलर 28.5. 28.5 क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि 1.5 उसकी हाइट है, इसलिए वो हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. ओके. परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस. एंड इन ट्रायंगल ABC, tan 30 डिग्री equals to perpendicular, that is 28.5, and base is BC. We'll find FC. Tan 60 is root 3. So FC will be equal to 28.5 upon root 3, and tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. So BC will be equal to 28.5 into root 3. So BF equals to BC minus FC. Okay. So when you will multiply, it will be, we have to basically solve this 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 upon root 3. When we'll take LCM, it will be 28.5 root 3 into root 3 minus 28.5, and LCM is root 3. So it is 28.5. If I take common, it is 3 minus 1 upon root 3, or 28.5 into 2 upon root 3, rationalizing the denominator. So this is 5 to the 10, decimal 8 to the 16, 17, into 2 the 4, 5 into root 3 upon 3. When you will cut this, it will be 19 root 3 meters. This is the answer.